The Texas street racing scene has always been wild, but in 2025 it's getting even crazier. Police are shutting down every known racing spot, and racers are being forced to move fast or risk getting caught. But while street racers are on the run, another dangerous issue is making headlines: motorcycle death wobble. This unpredictable high-speed shaking has led to multiple crashes this year, and with more riders hitting the streets, knowing how to prevent it is more important than ever. So what's happening with Texas street racers? Over the last few months, law enforcement has been cracking down harder than ever. Major racing locations in Dallas, Houston, and Austin have been hit with roadblocks, undercover busts, and drone surveillance. Several high-profile racers have been arrested with their cars impounded and licenses revoked. The Texas Department of Public Safety even launched Operation Street Sweep, a coordinated effort to stop illegal racing, using air support and rapid deployment teams. But here's the real question: is this the end of Texas street racing? Not even close. Racers are adapting, using private locations, encrypted group chats, and instant location changes to keep the meets alive. Some are even moving to Mexico for safer racing spots, while others are setting up underground circuits that are harder to detect. Meanwhile, another danger is lurking on Texas highways: motorcycle death wobble. This terrifying high-speed shaking has been causing more accidents, especially with street racers and stunt riders pushing their bikes to the limit. According to a 2024 motorcycle safety report, crashes linked to instability and wobble have increased by 15%, with many happening at speeds over 120 mph. Why does death wobble happen, and how can you stop it? It's usually caused by high speeds, unbalanced modifications, and bad road conditions. In Texas, where highway races and freeway stunt rides are common, wobble-related crashes are happening more often. Riders who install oversized front wheels, stiffened rear suspensions, or ride with low tire pressure are at the highest risk. For the 2025 season, motorcycle manufacturers are stepping up with better steering dampers, AI-assisted stability control, and real-time suspension adjustments. Brands like Kawasaki, BMW, and Yamaha are leading the charge. But what about riders on older bikes? Simple fixes like checking tire pressure, aligning suspension, and keeping a relaxed grip on the bars can help reduce the risk. And if you ever experience wobble mid-ride, the key is not to panic. Ease off the throttle, stay loose, and let the bike stabilize. So whether you're out there running from cops in the Texas racing scene or pushing your bike to the limit on open highways, safety and strategy are everything in 2025. The game is changing, but one thing is for sure: the streets aren't slowing down anytime soon. Hit that subscribe button if you want more street racing and motorcycle updates, and let me know in the comments: have you ever experienced death wobble, or have you seen police shut down a racing spot? Let's talk about it.